Hello guys, today we wanna see how to transfer from one Alipay to another Alipay account. Okay, well, this is really simple. The first step we need to do is open our app Alipay. Okay, we need to open our Alipay app, and then we in this screen right here you can see all these options. Right here we're gonna click this button called pay. Okay, we're gonna click pay, and right here we're gonna find the user who will receive the money. Okay, in this case, in this area right here, we're gonna type the in this area we can add an email or any other related information. Okay, once we do that, in this area will appear the user. We're gonna click this user account, and right here in his profile we're gonna click this button called transfer. Once we click this button right here, uh, we're gonna add an amount that we want to transfer. In this case, we're gonna type and we're gonna transfer right here. Okay, in this case we put this amount, and now we're going to click this button called buy now, and there you go. That is how how it is. There you go. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.